Thank you. Boy, it's hard to follow that. God bless you. This is my child. His name was Mike. And he died because he was denied health care. Because in our system, it's okay for people to die at the rate of $45,000 a year. These people in Congress and at the state level who say that we don't need to fix health care, the free market can take care of it.
Bullshit.
It's wrong. Free market cannot take care of it. Tobacco isn't safe. The world is not flat. Mental illnesses are not caused by demons, and the free market can't take care of health care.
Amen.
My son was denied care, so I've been going around and I've been asking lawmakers, are you pro-life? And of course, most of them will say, well, of course I am. And I ask, at the federal level, why then do you vote 40 times to repeal a law that could save 45,000 American lives a year?
Amen.
They don't have an answer to that. And at the state level, I say, why did you vote not to expand Medicaid when it wouldn't have cost us one thin dime for 3 years?
Not a penny.
And more than 2,000 people will die in 2014 because we refused to expand Medicaid over some ideological crap. My son's life meant a lot. It might not mean so much to them, but it sure meant a lot to me. I miss him every minute of every day, and they think it's no big deal. So I want to ask them, how do you get off calling yourself pro-life? How can you call yourself pro-life and vote to allow 2,000 North Carolinians or 45,000 Americans to die every year? That's 1 every 12 minutes. How can you call yourself pro-life and allow that to happen? How can you call yourself pro-life and vote to let children starve? How can you call yourself pro-life and vote to slash unemployment so that people will lose everything? Now, the newest thing is that, and I found it on Facebook a couple of times in the last week, it's a new talking point. Why do you say we hate the poor? We don't hate the poor. Well, your actions speak much louder than your words. When you give 2 cans of cranberry sauce at Thanksgiving to a food bank, that's not love. That's 2 cans of cranberry sauce, which you can buy for $1.
That's right.
When you say that you don't want the homeless, dirtying up your streets, that's not love. When was the last time you looked a poor person in the eye? When was the last time you hugged a homeless person? When was the last time you heard any of them tell their stories? My son was a great human being. He was kind, he was generous, he was smart. He was eulogized as a jackass because really, he was. He was a great practical joker. I miss him. I can't get him back. But I sure can work to make sure that your children don't die the way mine did. That is my mission. Thank you.